Hi, I'm Michael. I'm here to show you how to use UNGER's professional cleaning tools correctly and to answer any questions you may have on topics relating to professional window cleaning. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the different features of the UNGER nLITE brushes and show you when, where, and how best to use them. The range of water-fed UNGER nLITE brushes has everything you need for perfect cleaning results and is just the right choice for mastering the daily challenges of pure water cleaning. You can choose between different brush lengths, bristle types, and combinations. Let's start with the brush size and brush length. Choosing the right brush size depends on your preferences and the work situation. If high manoeuvrability and safely cleaning up high are important to you, the 28 cm short nLITE brushes are recommended because they are lighter. For use on larger areas and faster cleaning, it is best to use the 41 cm wide nLITE brushes. We recommend the use of wide brushes from the 4th level upwards. Their larger contact surface increases stability. Now to the bristles. When to use split and when to use unsplit bristles. nLITE brushes with green split bristles have a larger contact surface and therefore offer you a higher cleaning performance and better gliding behavior on the glass surface. You can use them for the regular cleaning of normally soiled windows. nLITE brushes with grey unsplit bristles have a longer surface life because less dirt sticks to them. Of course, they also offer you an excellent cleaning experience. Unsplit bristles are used for heavy soiling, e.g. when there are sand particles on the surface. This type of bristle is also recommended if you can only work with a low flow of pure water. Non-split bristles are also used on surfaces with low inclining angles, e.g. solar panels, because a lot of dirt is deposited on them and this runs off more slowly during the cleaning process than it does on vertical surfaces. Finally, a little tip. As some surfaces are sensitive to scratches, always test your brush in a concealed place before you use it to be on the safe side. In another video, I'll present the entire selection of our nLITE brushes and the corresponding water distribution systems. For further information and more videos about pure water cleaning, head to our YouTube channel. Simply subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications.